Students, our today's topic is to represent irrational numbers on a number line. Let's start with root 2, root 3, root 5, etc. on a number line. So how to do this? First of all, with the help of scale, we just draw a line and take points at equal distance from each other. Let us take 2 points at a distance of 2 centimeters. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2. Now, these are the integers on a number line. But we have to locate root 2, root 3 or root 5 on a number line. So what to do? First of all, add point at a distance of 1 with the help of protractor. Draw a perpendicular. Okay, so at 1, draw a perpendicular, draw a line. Now, with the help of compass, you have to draw an arc of same radius. बेटा जितना यहाँ से यहाँ का डिस्टेंस था उतने ही डिस्टेंस की यहाँ से रख के एक आर्क लगा देंगे. Then join this point with 0. So this, if you consider this to be A, this to be B, this to be C, then this AC becomes root 2. But how you know that this is root 2? Let's prove it. If you take this as a right triangle, in the right angle triangle ABC, हमने कितना लिया था? 1 यूनिट लिया था. ये कितना लिया था? 1 यूनिट. सो AC स्क्वायर किसके इक्वल होगा बेटा? AB स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. Students, we have done this theorem in class 8th, that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to square of the base plus square of the perpendicular. Now put the length. AB is कितना? 1, 1 square. BC is again 1, 1 square. 1 plus 1 is 2. So therefore AC square is 2. So when you shift square to this side, this will become root 2. So in this way, we can get root 2. AC is equal to root 2. Now, how to locate this on a number line? So what we do? With the help of compass, put the needle at A, open it till C, and draw an arc. So the point where this arc intersects the number line, this point is root 2. Understand, students? Now, if you want to look at root 3, so move further. Now what to do? Now, with the help of protractor, at C point, draw another perpendicular. So with AC as the base and C as center, draw another point at 90 degree. Draw this line. Now what to do? Up, since this is root 2, now again take a length equal to 1 unit. जैसे हमने शुरू किया था, इतना कंपास खोला, because AB and BC दोनों 1 थे, तो यहाँ से भी हम एक आर्क लेंगे. सेम कितना? 1 unit. This is again 1. Now join these 2 points. Let this point is D. So in this way, we are able to get root 3. Now this OD becomes root 3. Now how OD becomes root 3? Same. Again we prove like this. कैसे? In right angle triangle ACD, AD square is equal to AC square plus DC square by Pythagoras theorem, PGT. Now put in the values. What is AC? Root 2. So root 2 का square. What is DC? 1. 1 का square. Root 2 square क्या होता है बच्चों? 2. 1 का square होता है 1. ये 3 आ गया. So it means, now what is AD? Square वहां चला जाएगा तो root 3 बन गया. So मतलब AD root 3 हो गया. But the question is how to locate it on a number line. Again start with the same. Open the compass from A to D. Draw an arc. And the point where this arc intersect the number line, that is root 3. So students, पहले हमने AC लिया तो ये root 2 हो गया, AD लिया ये आ गया. इस तरह से अगर हम अगेन यहाँ पर इसके ऊपर को लेंगे तो root 4 आ जाएगा, फिर लेंगे root 5 आ जाएगा. And in this way we carry on with this and we are able to get root 2, root 3, root 4. No बेटा, root 4 is what? 2. तो जब हम root 4 की आंक लेंगे तो वो आंक कहाँ मिलेगी? पक्का इस पे मिलेगी. So you students, you just try it at home and locate root 5, root 6 and so on a number line. So your homework is to locate root 5, root 6, root 7 on a number line. So this method is called the spiral method to find yet or to locate irrational numbers on a number line. Okay students, so just try it yourself.
Start.
Okay students, now here I'll again do the same thing. I put protector here like this, draw the perpendicular, and again I'll take the same length. कितनी ली थी बेटा? जितनी A से लेकर B तक, this point यहाँ तक लेके हमने यहाँ पर खोल दिया, आग लगा दिया, and I'll join it. So ये था root 2, ये root 3 और ये root 4 हो जाएगा. ठीक है? Similarly you can prove it like this, that root 3 square is 3, 1 square is 1 and 3 by 1 is 4. In this way we will get root 4, and then from OS center and length this OE we draw. Now let this consider this to be E. We draw an arc and this arc reaches to point this 2, and we know that root 4 is what? 2, hence this point is 2.